All right, so before the break, Nev said things are getting sweet, right? But with the things that our producers come up with, this is going to end up very sourly. It's called a candy cane challenge. All we have to do, says the prompter, all we have to do is drop the candy canes and hope that it drops onto the string like so, right? Problem is, guys, we have to do it from 30,000 feet, like it's a airplane, and make it catch. Can you do it?
You know I can do anything and everything.
Through Christ who strengthens.
Oh, high. Like just so? Or up here?
Okay, so up here.
Where?
From where you are. Ready?
So?
So, on your mark, pull the cork, drink.
I know what is the problem first.
It's too high up.
No, it's not. That's it. It's too taut. So every time it hit it, this is going to fly. So, yeah.
Let's make it less taut.
All right.
Ready? Good thing you thought of that. Ready? They say drop the mic and gone.
Oh.
Just gone.
You know, Sammy should be the president of Jamaica.
Of the United States, I would prefer, actually.
Hold on. First thing is, you have, you have to lick the string.
Me, I cross from up here. I cannot see this.
Question.
Go through, God.
Wait, no. When I ask, you say up here. You know this is weird, Douglas, so you have
Yes,
your
I can't see the
yeah,
string.
but mine, I hold up mine up here. Up here is weird, Douglas. So. Eh? Is that weird?
I'm operating on 3 hours of sleep, right? I've already done better than
No, it's not me. Tell me to go muggle. So, you have work. I know you don't lick the string.
Jesus, be your glasses that work properly. What's up? Why you thoughting it up? Why you thoughting it up more?
I'm not thoughting up anything. All right. I am going to give you
Somebody
a
crosses.
No,
did you see what just happened?
No, I am going to give you a gymnastic bounce. So it is going to, no, it's going to hit it first, pupil it up, and then come back down. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait, no, that was just the trial run.
Difficulty 3.0.
Lick it, pupil it up, and back down. What happened to this thing, man?
I'm just trying to get one on the string so that...
Sit there.
Oh! Oh!
But you... No, why you don't just...
I'm not playing.
No, but why you don't just put it down?
Neville, you know what you did?
What?
You taught up your side and you less taught up your side
No,
and
I
you
didn't.
taught up
All
my
right.
side more.
All right, watch.
So it keeps bouncing off the string. You went to St. Thomas on the weekend? Did you go out there?
I tell you, I am so good. It
Did you take a
scares
bath
me.
somewhere?
And you know this where you have yours. Might as well you just put it for the sink.
Just stop in eyes, man. I talk for
Alright.
plenty. Oh boy. All right, Dave, you win this one outright. I can't even fight you. Jesus.
No, I think, you see, I just have a suggestion.
I don't interest in none
The
of your
first thing
suggestions.
is you need to hit this.
I didn't ask you anything. Did I solicit any advice from you?
We
Shut up your mouth.
2-1.
Stop.
I don't do nothing. I'm not doing anything.
Close but no cigar. Nev, that's cheating. Nev, I'm done playing with you.
Oh, that must be cheating. All I do is I just let it go.
Jeez, I'm crying. I can't even see the string, honestly. My one is the one Papa licking. Yours go and stay.
Same.
Never you gone 4?
3. Same.
Eh? No, I haven't. Just
You know, so that modeling thing last night helped you? You didn't say you been down for the thing a while ago. You
Like a
you just
lady.
did that thing, so.
that is a. That's why you must diversify yourself. And you learn life lessons. Is Immaculate teach me that still? It's not time.
Oh.
Good. Oops.
All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more. And I was saving this one.
Save the best for last. Go down to the tree.
Public time, folks. When you will never see this, I want it taught. I've explained. It went bounce from here, flick over there, and relax.
Good. Execution, flawless.
Here's the problem. It relax first before it bounce. It's supposed to bounce.
Go on.
Is that is you cause it?
I'm helping you.
See? Relax. Public and then relax.
Excellent. Good job, Nev.
In case you think it was a buck up, I shall do it again.
You're good.